Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaliva. See, this is 12th standard business max state board chapter 6 exercise 6.2 expected value. Expected value and variance. Expected value and variance. See, what is that expected value? Expectation of value is nothing but mean. Mean is nothing but a expected value. Mean equal to expectation of x equal. Mean is nothing but expectation of x, E of x. Okay, E of x. Variance. Generally variance equal to E of x square. E of x square minus E of x the whole square. E of x square minus E of x the whole square. If it is probability mass function, if it is probability mass function, that is discrete probability mass function, how you can write the expectation of x, E of x, probability mass function. If it is a discrete, how you will write the what expectation of x, E of x. E of x equal to sigma x px. Sigma x px. Variance E of x square. E of x square equal to sigma x square p of x. Sigma x square p of x. Variance equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. Next, you move on to see probability density function. Probability density function. Probability density function. It is continuous. Probability density function. It is continuous function. Expectation of x. E of x. That is nothing but what? Mean. Mean equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. X f of x dx. Next, variance. You should find out the value of E of x square. E of x square equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity x square f of x. X square f of x dx. X square f of x dx. Then what about standard deviation? See, E of x square, after finding that E of x square, you move on to this formula, variance equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. E of x is nothing but expectation of x. What about standard deviation? Standard deviation equal to root of variance. Standard deviation equal to root of variance. See the properties. Properties of expectation of x. Properties. See, E of a. Expectation of a equal to a. Expectation of a equal to a. Expectation of ax. Expectation of ax equal to a into expectation of x. Next, E of ax plus b. E of ax plus b equal to a into E of x plus b. A into E of x plus b. Variance of a. Variance of a. Variance of a equal to 0. Variance of a equal to 0. Variance of ax. Variance of ax equal to a square into variance of x. A square into variance of x. See the first sum. Find the expected value. Expected value is nothing but E of x, mean, for the random variable of an unbiased die. A die has 6 faces. Unbiased die. So you can take it as, let x be the numbers. Let x be the numbers on die. Numbers on die. What are the numbers on die? Yeah, that x can takes the value. X can takes the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. That's 6 faces. A die has 6 faces. Then you should find out the probability mass function. Probability mass function. PMF. Probability mass function. Can draw the tabular column. See here. X. Capital X. P of x equal to x. Capital X. P of x equal to x. 1. How many sides are there? 6 sides. So 1 is the first side, 1 by 6. Then 2, it is only one side on the 6 faces. So you can write it as 1 by 6. Then 3, it is the one face on the 6 sides. So you can write 1 by 6. So 4, 1 by 6. The same way you can proceed for 5 and 6 also. 1 by 6 and 6, 1 by 6. Is it clear? See, there are 6 faces on the die. 1 is the one face on the die. Out of 6 faces, 1 is the only one face. Then 2 is the number, one face on the out of 6 faces. So 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 for each and everything you are getting the value 1 by 6. E of x, expectation of x, that is mean equal to E of x. Expectation of x equal to sigma x px. Sigma x px. So mean equal to expectation of x equal to sigma x p of x. Sigma x p of x. X into p of x. So E of x, that is expectation of x equal to 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6. You don't cancel the term. We can keep 6 as the common LCM. Plus 4 into 1 by 6 plus 5 into 1 by 6 because sigma addition of terms plus 6 into 1 by 6. So it gives 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6 plus 4 by 6 plus 5 by 6 plus 6 by 6. You can take it as 1 by 6 commonly out. What is the remaining thing? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So mean equal to mean equal to expectation of x equal to 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 12 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 by 6. You cancel the term. Mean equal to E of x equal to mean equal to E of x equal to 7 3s are 21 and 3 2s are 6. 7 by 2 or 3.5. 7 by 2 or 3.5. Expectation of x value. See the second sum. Let x be the random variable defining number of students getting A grade. Find the expected value. If you see expected in the sum, you should find out the value of mean E of x, expectation of x, expected value of x from the given table. So the table is given in the form of probability mass function. So what is the formula? Expectation of x, mean equal to expectation of x equal to sigma. You can write down the limit 0 to 3, x equal to 0 to 3. Previous sum also you can write on the unit x equal to 0 to 6. X p of x. X p of x. So expectation of x equal to 0 into 0.2 plus 1 into 0.1 plus 2 into 0.2, 2 into 0.4, 2 into 0.4 plus 3 into 0.3. X p of x, 0 into 0.2, 1 into 0.1, 2 into 0.4 and 3 into 0.3 into 0.3. See here, E of x equal to 0 into 0.2 is 0 plus 1 into 0.1 is 0.1 plus 2 into 0.4 is 0.8 plus 3 into 0.3 is 0.9. 3 into 0.3 is 0.9. You can add all the values. 1.8, 10, 8, 1.8. Expectation of x, mean equal to expectation of x, E of x equal to 1.8. See the third sum. The following table is describing about the probability mass function of the random variable x. Find standard deviation. If it is standard deviation means, what is the formula for standard deviation? Root of variance. Root of variance means you should find out the value of expectation of x and expectation of x square. So standard deviation equal to root of variance. Standard deviation equal to root of variance. So you should find out mean. Mean equal to expectation of x. Mean equal to E of x. Expectation of x. Sigma, the limit is 3 to 5. So x equal to 3 to 5. X p of x. X p of x. So mean equal to E of x. Mean equal to E of x equal to 3 into 0.1 plus 4 into 0.1 plus 5 into 0.2. 5 into 0.2. E of x equal to 0.3. 3 into 0.1, 0.3 plus 0.4. 0.4, 5 2s are 10 plus 1.0. So if we add, what is the value of E of x? Mean E of x equal to 1.7. See, next you should find out E of x square. E of x square equal to sigma x square px. X square px. X can take the value 3 to 5. X square p of x. X square p of x. So it gives x3 square. 3 square into 0.1 plus 4 square into 0.1 plus 5 square into 0.2. 3 square. 9 into 0.1 plus 16 into 0.1 plus 16 into 0.1 plus 25 into 0.2. 25 into 0.2. So it gives 0.9. 9 into 0.1, 0.9 plus 1.6. 16 into 0.1, 1.6. 25 2s are 50 plus 50, 5.0, 5.0. When we add, the answer is 7.5. The answer is 7.5 E of x square. So what is the variance? Variance of x. Variance of x equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So variance of x equal to E of x square. What is the value of E of x square? 7.5 minus E of x the whole square. 1.7 the whole square. 1.7 the whole square. So variance of x equal to 7.5 minus 17 square is 289. So 2.89. When we subtract 7.5 minus 2.89, the answer is 4.61. Then standard deviation. Standard deviation equal to root of variance. Standard deviation equal to root of variance. So root of 4.61. 4.61. You can use the calculator and do the calculation part. The answer is 2.15. Standard deviation equal to 2.15. See the fourth sum. Let x be the continuous random variable with the probability density function. Before we have seen probability mass function. This is probability density function. F of x equal to 2x. The limit is given as 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise. Since it is probability density function, it is probability density function. What is the formula? Integral expectation of x, E of x equal to integral minus infinity to infinity, mean equal to expectation of x, E of x equal to minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx, x f of x dx. So 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise means the limit starts from 0 to infinity. The limit starts from 0 to infinity. The sum is given as 0 otherwise means we can take it as the lower limit as 0. 0 to infinity x. What is our f of x? What is our f of x? 2x dx. But here they have mentioned as the limit 0 to 1. The limit as 0 to 1. So upper limit is 1 and lower limit is 0. So mean equal to expectation of x equal to x into f of x equal to 2x dx. The limit is given as 0 to 1. 0 to 1 x 2x into dx. So mean equal to expectation of x equal to integral 0 to 1 2x square into dx. 2x square into dx. Expectation of x equal to 2 is constant, you can take it out. Integral 0 to 1 x square dx, x square dx. So mean equal to expectation of x, E of x equal to E of x equal to twice. What is the integration of x square? X power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, the limit is 0 to 1. The limit is 0 to 1. Expectation of x, E of x equal to 2 into x cube by 3. Limit is 0 to 1. E of x equal to 2 by 3. You can take it out. So upper limit upper limit minus lower limit. So mean equal to E of x, mean equal to E of x equal to 2 by 3 into 1, the value is equal to 2 by 3, that is expectation of x, mean equal to 2 by 3. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you, children.